Hey everyone, welcome to my video on Holistic Lifestyle Basics, the new online course that I have available. I just released this last week. So in this video, I'm going to explain what's all in this course and give you some of the benefits that you will get from taking this course. And I'm also going to go over first a little bit of how this course came to be and why I created it and who it is for. So, I have always been interested in holistic health my entire life, and I've been taking courses pretty much nonstop for the last 15 years. I did not take courses to actually be a coach or a practitioner because I really wanted to have a website. I really wanted to focus on writing, and I wanted to focus on creating products, which are, you'll see, which I make for my Etsy shop. And I kind of wanted to keep my options open as far as where I could take this direction. I didn't want to focus just on being a coach or a practitioner. I mean, kind of a more of a commitment, and I really wanted to just learn as much as I could and go from there. So I started with publishing a book on Amazon, which comes in this course. And then after I published that book, I worked from that information and then I started my website and I dived deeper into all these subjects. And then along came my Etsy shop and I realized how much I loved making printables. So that became another part of my business. And the printables, which you'll also see in a little bit here, I believe that they're the missing link between getting the information and then taking action to make that information part of your life. It's very hard to build a lifestyle around something when you just watch videos or when you just read about it, especially if you're just reading blog posts here and there. You're not getting all the information in one place. And so the workbooks, I believe, are very crucial to making the lifestyle changes. So, um, for the next part of this video, I'm going to go over what's in this. Actually, first of all, I'm going to explain who this course is for. This course is for anyone who is a beginner with learning about health. If you are not quite sure what's healthy and what isn't, and you just want a rundown of the basics, this is perfect for you. This course is also for anyone who has an interest in holistic health, which is the physical, mental, and spiritual. So, any one of those things or all three together, if you're interested in them, this course is also for you because this course focuses on those three combined together to create um, your your lifestyle, your health, your overall health. So the health is going to be much better if all three of those are in alignment with nature and if they are in balance with each other. So that's kind of a that is the general goal of this course is to create a lifestyle based around aligning your body, mind, and soul with nature. All right, so now I'm going to go over what's in this course. So there's going to be 8 modules, and each module is going to focus on a separate part of the course. So these are all videos, and as you can see, it's going to be about food, sleep, exercise, the environment, nature, herbs and spices, mental and emotional health, and spiritual health. So each of these videos is a different length. I think it's over 2 hours total in time to watch these. So they're not real super long. You can get through them in one day easily. And then the next slide here is the workbooks that come with this course. So these are available on my Etsy shop. Unlike the videos are not available anywhere, but these workbooks, if you just wanted to buy these, you can buy these on my Etsy shop. I think it's $25 for all 4 together, and each one separately is $9. So you do save money if you buy the bundle, but if you buy this course, you'll get these workbooks along with the videos and the book and the other printables, which I will also be going over. So the first one here is the Healthy Lifestyle Planner, and that one is 14 pages long. The Healthy Eating Planner is 11 pages long. The Mental Health Workbook is 21 pages long. And the Spiritual Health Workbook is 19 pages long. So then the next thing you'll be getting is a PDF version of my book, Living a Holistic Lifestyle, Beginner's Guide to a Healthy Body, Mind, and Soul. So this is available on Amazon in paperback and Kindle formats. This is 113 pages. And this book is $9.99 on Amazon if you wanted just to go that route. So I'm going to go over now the next PDF bonus in this course, which are some holistic health printables. And if you are on my email list, you already know about these most likely because these are what you get for free when you sign up through the free printables section on my website. So the first one is a holistic lifestyle assessment, and then there's the body, mind, and soul goals. And then the last three are foundations of health daily checklists. So there's one for physical, and then one for mental, and one for spiritual. And what these are good for is to print off and hang on your refrigerator or put in your health binder or however you prefer to do it where you can see it every day. And each one of those three on the bottom is going to have the fundamentals of that section. And the fundamentals are things that I go over in this course, and of course they're on these printables as well. So the way you can find this course is on my website, holisticlifestyleguide.com. So at the top you see one of the tabs says Holistic Lifestyle Basics Online Course. So you would click on that, and that will bring you to the page where you can purchase this directly from the page. And what this is through is the Gumroad website. So if you're familiar with Gumroad, it's a program that sells digital things. So it kind of integrates with my website. So you can just click on the I want this button there, and then you'll see a pop-up that will let you purchase through PayPal. And I'm not quite sure if there's any other ways to purchase. I think right now PayPal's the only one. So it'll give you a little explanation on here of what the course is, and then over on the side it'll show all the things that I just showed you already. So, and then the course is $79. If you would like a discount on this course, you can sign up to be on my email list because my email subscribers get all the goodies. They get free things and they get all the updates, and they also get those free printables, and then they will get 50% off this course. So if you want to save some money on this, you can go right to my website and sign up for any of the free things. I'm going to go back to this screen. You'll see there's also a free holistic lifestyle ebook, and then there's a free printables, which is the ones that you get with this course. And then there's a free spirituality ebook. So you can click on any one of those three and you will be on my email list. And then all my subscribers get a 50% off coupon for my course. So then instead of $79, it would only be, I think, $39. So if you don't want to be on the list, you can just pay this price. This is still a lot cheaper than most courses out there. I've taken so many courses in my life, and most of them are a lot more than this. Let me just say that I've gone into major debt with all these courses that I've taken. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and give this video a like. And if you have any friends that would benefit from this, watching this video or taking this course, please share this with them. And subscribe to my channel if you would like more videos about holistic health and how to live a holistic lifestyle. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.